how to upload a YouTube video. So what you need to do is you need to go into your videos when you've actually recorded. So what you need is to go into what video you want to do. What you need then from there, go to title, then go and type what you want. I'm just gonna type test. For tutorial. Obviously I'm gonna delete it, but so put your own description, and once you've done that, just wait for it to be uploaded, right? Once it's uploaded, you need because as you can see, I know how to do this because I've done it many times, guys, but that's not what this is about. So you need to get test for tutorial, then go into watch, and you want to know how to edit it. Okay guys, go onto Play Store, search for apps and games, search YouTube, but then go to YouTube Studio. As you can see, I've already well, this is how you edit as well. So you go into YouTube Studio, and when you can edit it. So go to here, test for tutorial. You can go edit, and then what you need to do is you can do whatever you want for this. You can edit, you can do anything with it, but I'm not gonna edit that one because I'm gonna delete it. You can do whatever you want with your video. I don't care. But I'm just showing you guys how you do it. So like, if you want to do stuff like, if you want to do a let's play, what you want to do is see this thing that I have on my screen. You have to download it. What was it called again? I need to go. So it's AppSoft. I don't know what one it was called, but go into this, then go into to search AppSoft. Well, screen recorder. So you need to search up what I just searched up, and you want to install any of these, but I recommend the one I'm using, this one. So what you want to do is that you need to open up an app or something of your choice. Then what you want to do is so go into this, then you will see a record button. You have to record it, and once you've done that, see that little box button there? You have to press it, then go into YouTube, and then you need to go into this. Then you have to upload the video you just recorded. Videos which is scheduled is not gonna come out just yet. It's gonna come out tomorrow. Yeah. This is tutorial version 2 because all you want to do is, and you know what, if you want to change stuff on it, go ahead, go and use the technique I've shown you. Go tell your friends, go do it yourself, go make tutorial videos like this one. But guys, even if you do make a reaction video to this or put this on your channel, I'm fine. okay? Just that if you, but if you say you made it, I will turn up in your video and say, hey, I made it, look on my channel. But I don't know why you guys would copy it. I mean, you wouldn't, would you? You probably wouldn't, but I hope you don't. Good. Good. But what you need to do, once you've uploaded your video, so if you want to find where it is, go to your channel, then go, if you want to delete a video, so I click on the three dots next to the video, and what you want to do is press delete, or you could press edit, and what you want to do, and you can go to this, you can then you can go to YouTube Studio. If you want, you can go into you can do any of these, you can schedule it, you can, so if you go into schedule, you have to select day, select time of the day. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna, wait, where did that icon go? Guys, oh, it blends in with the background, but yeah, I'm gonna go back into this. And what you can do is, you can go down, you can go back, and yeah, again, I'm gonna delete it, because, you know, so, and once you've done that, it won't be there anymore, because if you had it in the playlists, it would say, the user has deleted this video. So yeah, the last Roblox video I did was new free item. It was new free item. Wait, did I add this to my yeah. See you guys next time.